Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to close background running apps on iPhone. It is a very simple step. I will guide you accordingly. Now, firstly, for example, we are opening clock over here. Now, if you want to go back, then you will simply tap on the screen and you can see that you are again back to your home page. But one thing you don't know is that the application is still running on the background and it may be affecting your battery charge too. Now, to close the background running application, all you need to do is press on the screen. After that, here you can see all the application that you have been running. Now, all you need to do is simply swipe your finger on the upwards. And you can see that the application will be removed from the background. Not only this, but you can use your 3 fingers and do it instantly. And this is how you can keep going. And this is the way to close background running apps on iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.